In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new font in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To get started, I'm going to assume you haven't got the new font yet. I'll quickly talk you through how to do that. If you've already got a new font, then skip ahead to when I show you how to install it. For this example, I'm going to be using Google Fonts. You can use any website really, but I feel like Google Fonts is much easier to navigate and has the largest selection of fonts to pick from. So once you're ready, type in the font you're looking for at the top or select one down below. I'm going to select Playwright Argentina. From here, I'm going to select on Get Font at the top. And sometimes there may be lots of variations. In this case, there's not. So I'm just going to click on Download All. Then go to the location in which you've downloaded the file. It will be downloaded as a zip file. So you've got to extract it. Either right click and click Extract All, or left click and click Extract All at the top, and then click to extract. In the new folder here, you will see a .ttf file, which is TrueType font file. This is what we're looking for. This is what's going to allow us to install it. Double click it. And this is the font. This is a preview of what it looks like. When you're ready and when you're happy, then click Install. And it'll take a couple of seconds to install. And now we're ready to open up Word and get cracking. One thing I must add is that if you can't see your new font, it's because you didn't close down Word before installing it. That's fine. Just close it down now and reopen it, and it will give it time to update into the database. So that's simply how you install a new font. So if I go up here to where I select my fonts and I type in the font I'm looking for, which for me was Playwright, and there it is. So if I start typing now, then I've got all the new fonts that I've just installed. Obviously, you can just press Control A and then change the font, and then all your text that you previously written will now be changed to a new font. So very quickly, you've installed a new font from the internet, and now it's able to be used in your Word document. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about fonts, how to customize them, and how to change the default font in Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.